As per the advisory, it is advisable to wash hands every 60 minutes, which means every employee will wash hands 8 to 10 times a day. If the handle of a manual tap is previously touched by an infected person, then there are chances of the virus spreading during frequent usage. Sensor taps by Euronics give you a touchless hand washing experience. You can turn on the flow of water just by placing your hands under the sensor tap. It is hygienic and low maintenance, which guarantees usage for a long span of time. With Euronics automatic taps, you can cut off at least 70 to 80% of your water consumption. We have various options to choose from. Wall-mounted sensor tap. Our stylish wall-mounted tops are fixed to the wall just above the basin. Basin-mounted sensor tap. These can be easily installed on the basin, and they give a very beautiful decorative effect to the entire space. Counter-mounted sensor tap. These can be easily installed on any counter where a basin is kept on the top.